Uko, my prince. I have a running stomach. I need to use the toilet. I need to use myself, like, right now. My prince, you are royal. You need not to be seen doing such. I know, but in this situation, I can't help it. You see what I'm talking? Are you mad? Don't you know my mess is royal? You better behave yourself. Hey! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! What? Prince? Stay! Somebody out! Prince! Prince! Where's the prince? Where's the prince? Snake! What do we do now? I don't know. Okay. What do we do now? Okay, here. Just hold on. I'm coming. Please, you'll be fine. Please, I told you not to use the bush. I told you not to use the bush. Sorry, my please. I'm back. I'm back. Please, you'll be fine. Just hold on, eh? Okay. You'll be fine, eh? Yes, it's okay. Okay. It's a medicine for sleep poison. Okay. All this and is there. Okay. Oh, just carry it, huh? Sorry, my prince. Hold on. Okay. You want to kill him? Okay, sorry, my prince. Sorry, my prince. It hurts, that's why. Sorry, my prince. Okay. Good morning. I'm looking for the prince. He sent for me. Is he inside?
Yes, he's inside.
Okay, please tell him I'm around. Yeah?
Oh, you come out.
My prince.
How are you?
Greetings, my prince.
How are you?
I am fine, my prince.
How is your mother?
My mother is fine. She's doing well. She extended her birth.
Last of all, head office.
How was the night, my prince? My prince, I am very sorry for coming late, okay? Apologies. I was actually preparing food for my mother before I got your message.
No problem.
Thank you, my prince.
Ikomagbe, I know you'll be wondering why I sent for you.
Yes, I am, my prince.
It's nothing. I just want to show a little appreciation for what you did for me yesterday.
Oh, that. It's nothing, my prince. Actually, it's nothing.
To you, it's nothing. But to me, it's something. Uko.
Yes, my prince.
Tell the maid to bring those items. So, tell me, how's life been?
We bless the gods. The gods be praised. We have been managing as usual.
That's
yes,
nice.
My prince.
Good to hear that.
Thank you, my prince.
Oh, there they are. Ikomagbe, please accept this little offer from me.
My prince, I am short of words. I don't know what to say right now. But you shouldn't have gone to this extent, my prince.
If I can't take care of you as a friend, what else can I do?
Hey, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. I am grateful, my prince.
It's okay, stand up.
Hey,
stand up.
What is yams for me?
Yeah, and one more thing. I would like you to be my friend. Close one at that. You can come to the palace anytime, any day. You're welcome.
Hey, I am honored, my prince. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
May the gods bless you.
You see, and you too. Oh, hey. Maid, help him take these things to his house. See you later.
Okay, my prince.
Take care.
Thank you very much,
my regards to your mother.
That prince must be really nice.
Mama, yeah, you needed to be there. Honestly, you needed to be there to see the way they were attending to me, as if I was a prince in the palace. Hey. Yes, Mama. They even gave me food. If you see food, Mama, the food is so delicious.
Hey, I know you.
Hey, Mama, I molded my gari hand like this, and I threw it up like my father, and I hey.
Mama!
Hey!
So, my husband, you mean they can cook more than me?
No, nah. I have not said so. Mama, have I said anything like that?
Did I say
my
anything
son
like
did
that?
not say so.
My son have not.
I have not said anything.
The both of you are good friends. My son has never said so. Don't worry, my daughter.
My wife.
Oh, see, my wife, let me tell you, you are the best cook so far. And you are number one. Number one.
Thank you, my husband.
So, Mama, the idea of me being the friend to the prince, what do you think about it? Is it good?
What is wrong in it? Is he not the one that asked you to be his friend?
Yes, Mama, he is.
Be his friend.
Bam! I support Mama.
Hey.
Be his friend. Because so many things will be coming from there. And then he will throw more.
Mama!
Yes.
So we'll be throwing and swallowing.
Yes.
You don't want to swallow?
Yes, of course.
Hey, you swallow like my father.
Yes.
You see, my prince, I am very grateful. My prince, thank you very much.
Thank the gods.
You see, my mother was so happy at the sight of those yams.
Wow.
Yes. And she said I should thank you so much for that. Thank you once again, my prince.
You're welcome. I know she will.
Yes.
Eko Magbe, my friend.
Yes, my prince.
I love that your name.
My prince.
Eko Magboma. I like that name so much.
You see, my prince, my father gave me that name for a specific reason. Yes.
I know. And he must be a wise man.
Oh, yes, he is.
Oh, my friend. Tell me about your life.
My life? Oh. Well, my prince, I am the only child of my parents. And then my father died some time ago.
Oh.
My mother is still alive. And I am married. That's all.
Married?
Yes, my prince.
Oh, well, I'm sorry for the death of your father.
Thank you.
Congratulations to your household.
Thank you very much, my prince.
If I may ask, why did you get married so early?
For that, my prince, I will say, for the fact that I'm the only child of my parents, I was asked to marry early so as to give my mother grandchildren on time.
Oh. And have you gotten any?
For now, no. But we are praying to the gods to bless us with children, my prince.
He said, and the gods shall bless you with children.
He said...
Oh, my friend.
Yes, my prince.
What are the things you love doing best?
Well, my prince, I love singing and dancing. And also I like cooking.
Cooking?
Yes, I cook a lot.
That's nice.
But can you tell me your likes and your dislikes, my prince?
Oh, I love making friends and strolling. I dislike lies and dishonesty.
Oh, that is good. That is very nice. You must be a wise man then. Yes. Can I ask for a favor, my prince?
And what could that be?
Can we take a stroll?
A stroll?
Yes.
To where?
Anywhere of your choice, my prince.
Okay. But I love sitting by the riverside, seeing the waves of the stream and hearing the sound of birds.
That is good, my prince. It shows you are a wise man. Shall we proceed then?
After you.
Hey, Mama. Mama. Hey, yeah. Mama, if you saw what happened today, Mama, me and the prince were strolling today, and everybody was just looking at us as if we were brothers. Hey, Mama. Mama. Myself and the prince were talking one-on-one like this, as if we were twin brothers from the same mother.
Okay, I'm so happy for you.
Ma.
So happy for you. Hey. You see the reason why I say be his friend?
And that is why I have to heed to your advice. Yes. Mama is so sweet. Oh. Hey, my wife, why is your face like this now? Your face is just like a bird that they have moved to swallow. What is the problem?
My husband, you left me here since morning. You know I miss you.
Hey, look, I am sorry, okay? I am very, very sorry. But I knew I left you in the hands of my mother. And I knew that my mother must have taken good care of you.
Which I did.
I trust my mother.
Didn't I?
See, that is not a problem. Tomorrow, I am going to stay behind. I am not going anywhere tomorrow. I am going to spend the whole day with you.
Thank you, my husband.
So are you happy now?
Yes, my husband.
Smile for me now.
Hey, Kai.
Mama. Mama. Mama, don't tell me you are jealous now.
Father, yes, may you live long.
Yes, sir.
I came to introduce my friend to you.
I see.
Magbe. He's a good dancer and a singer. I met him on my way to the stream where he helped me.
All right. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Who is your father?
Late Omoregbe, Your Highness.
Omoregbe.
Yes, Your Highness.
Wait a minute. Omoregbe that died a few years back?
You are right, Your Highness.
This world is really a little place. He was my good friend.
Oh, I see.
Welcome once more.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Go, Father.
Take him in, make him comfortable.
Thank you, Your Highness. I am grateful,
I have somewhere going. Ovia.
Welcome, my dear friends.
So you are pregnant? Just after 2 months of your marriage?
Yes, so my friends.
My dear, I'm very happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Look at the way she looks now. She's looking so beautiful with her pregnancy.
By the way, who will the baby look like?
The woman, of course. She will be as beautiful as Onyire. You can see how gorgeous she is.
Yes, so we all support you.
You all got it wrong. I am carrying and we give birth to a baby. My husband.
How are you, beautiful wife?
I'm fine. How was your day?
It was okay. We thank the gods. Okay. How is my baby kicking?
It's fine.
Oh,
The baby is
Udazi Uwese. Who am I saying? It's okay.
Please handle your name. Don't come and shake it in my
Ah,
house.
Eniye. Even you, Osato. How are you?
You are fine.
Hey.
We all came here to see your wife. You know she's our good friend.
Of course.
And it's been long we saw her, so we just came to say hi to her today.
Yes, I understand. You have done well, my dear. You all have done pretty well. You are welcome. My beautiful wife.
Yes,
hope
dear.
you have entertained them.
Yes, the food is on fire.
Okay. You should just hold on, okay? In a short while, the food will be ready and you will eat.
Thank you.
Let me leave you people to do your women thing while I go and prepare my herbs.
All right, now.
All right, I will be back.
Okay, my dear friends, let me go and check what I'm preparing.
Okay.
Oh, Royal Majesty.
Yes.
Your son, the prince, is on his way coming.
That's good. Go and get him a seat before he comes. Quickly.
Father,
My son.
you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Sit down. Sit down.
How are you?
Greetings.
Thank you. Oh, please, I'm here to see the prince. Is he around? He asked me to come, and that is why I'm here. Send for me. I am here to see the prince, okay? Please, where is he?
Okay, Father. Is that all you want to tell me?
Oh, that's all. That is all. But do you have any question?
No, not at all. I better to take my leave because my friend Ekomagbe will be waiting for me. I sent for him.
All right. When you get there, send back the guard.
Okay, Father.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do you people know what is going on in this village?
What is happening?
Did anything happen to the king or his family?
I wonder.
No, nothing happened to them.
Then what happened?
Do you know that Ehomagbe, my best friend, is now the best friend to the prince?
Says you, Ige. Says who? This your mouth is going to lead into trouble one of these days in the village.
Wait. If I may ask, how can Ehomagbe, a man woman, or Bioko, be the best friend to the prince, our future king, our Hua, Efunu?
How can Ehomagbe, the son of nobody, be the best friend to the prince when we are here?
I wonder.
Wait, you people think I'm lying? Don't worry. Very soon, I mean very, very soon, you will see him being dressed like a prince.
If you don't have any more to say, you better shut your mouth.
Wait, let me tell you one thing. I know that everything I have said here is the truth. If you like it, believe it. If you like, don't.
We don't believe you. Please let us leave this fool here with his mouth full of life.
Let us go.
Let us go.
Let us go. Let us go.
Ozuo.
Let us go.
Why are they all jealous? Wonder shall never end. What again?
Because of that, that is like the most yes, my friend. Yes, my friend.
I'll be waiting to ask you this question.
Okay, what is it?
What do you think is the quality of a good leader or a ruler?
That's my prince. I think that question will be best answered by your father, my prince.
I know.
Yes.
I know. But I'm asking you this because you're one of the subject being ruled. I want to become a great ruler when I become the king.
Okay, my prince. To me, a good leader is someone who has the people at heart.
someone who wants the betterment of the people. My prince, a good leader is someone who is patient and someone who is humble. Such person, my prince, I believe will make a good leader.
Wow.
Yes, my prince.
Is that not the prince and am I high deceiving me?
So, wait. So, this is true. Without your mama.
Can't you see then?
What did the prince say in that useless boy that made him to choose him as best friend? Ask me. That Opioko.
Very much, my friend.
I am honored, my prince.
I've all what you said.
Thank you, my prince.
Let's go.
I am still going to teach you that song, my prince.
Opioko, I know exactly what to do. Opioko.
The boy ended his journey so far.
Wow. What a great story.
Yes, my prince.
You're a good storyteller.
Oh, I'm grateful, my prince.
Tell me, who taught you these stories?
Oh, my mother. My mother did. She... What is it? What is the problem? Why are you shouting my name?
There is no problem at all. In fact, your wife just put to bed.
Oh, that's who I say.
A bouncing baby boy.
Prince! My prince, I am now a father!
I'm happy for you, my friend.
Where are they? Hope they are fine. They are okay. My prince, I am a father.
You have to come back home. Okay. Your mom asked me to call you.
My prince, let me just rush and meet them up, okay? I'll come back and continue the story, okay, my prince? Go! Let's go! I am now a father! I am a father!
Mama, Eko, please accept these little items from me as my gift to you and your wife for your newborn baby.
Hey. Mama. Hey. Mama. Hi. Mama. Thank you, my prince. Thank you very much. I am very, very grateful.
We thank the gods.
I don't even know what to say anymore. But please extend my greetings to the king and tell him I will come and see him very soon personally.
I will.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you. And may the gods bless you. Thank your father for me.
My friend.
Yeah. My prince.
We shall be on our way.
Hey.
Don't forget to see him.
I will. Mama, just let me just see him off.
Yes, see him.
I am coming.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you very much. May the gods be with you.
Mama, I'm coming, Mama, don't run. Mama, don't run. Yeah. Mama. Mama.
Can you imagine? Mama. Mama, if I tell you this thing now, you will jump up and start dancing.
Talk to me because you have sent me halfway to where your father had gone.
Ah no, Mama, don't go to where Papa is. Oh.
So talk to me, what is it?
Mama, calm down. Okay, relax. Okay, look, I know you are so inquisitive to know what has happened.
I want to know.
So just calm down, Mama. See, the prince has told me that I am going to perform in this coming festival. Mama! Yeah! Now! He just told me.
The father has concluded it.
No, but he said he's going to tell his father. But if he tell his father, and that is final. Look, I am so happy. I am so happy that, look, in short, let me dance my father's dance.
Go ahead.
Mama!
Did you have a taste of that yesterday, Pamoe?
Very strong.
Ige, where's your friend, Omagbe? You people have not heard.
Heard what? And if I may ask, did he die?
God forbid! Esunu! What's your problem? Did you wish him dead? How could you say a thing like that? What is wrong with you?
Please, let us settle down. Just tell us what it is and let us stop quarreling.
No. His noise is getting too much. His son is getting too much in this village. Okay, if you must know, my friend Egomagbe has been chosen by the king to perform in the forthcoming festival.
Ege, what did I hear you say? You mean Egomagbe has been chosen to perform in the upcoming festival? How possible?
Who are you here? You are sleeping.
Yeah, they say you are here.
That's not impossible.
Impossible. Egomagbe chosen by the king while we are here. Are we no longer brave? Are we not strong enough?
So, what are we going to do now?
Keep asking.
There is nothing you people can do now. He has been chosen and that is final.
Efunu.
Chosen.
Efunu.
Chosen. Why is he laughing?
Ege, what is funny?
People are sleeping. When you wake up, you come to the event, you will see him performing.
Can you imagine? Wait, this is a very serious matter. How can
Festival. Chosen for festival.
by the king to where we are here? Are we?
Cause of our ancestors and of our land, you've never put me to shame. This is your battle and not mine. I am just your message. In the name of the cause of our land and our ancestors, I command you to appear! Cause of our ancestors and of our land. You've never put me to shame. This battle is yours and not mine. I am just.
Who are you?
I am a friend to Ese.
A friend.